Welcome to Finland, a land of deep green forests, shimmering blue lakes, and a quiet, resilient spirit. Tucked away in the far corner of Northern Europe, this is a country that feels both vast and intimate, wild yet wonderfully civilized. It shares a long eastern border with Russia, a mountainous northern frontier with Norway, and a western boundary with its longtime historical partner, Sweden. Just a short ferry ride across the Baltic Sea to the south lies Estonia. As we stand here in its capital, Helsinki, you can feel the crisp sea air and a sense of calm order. This is a place where nature is not just a backdrop. It is an integral part of the national identity, a source of solace, recreation, and inspiration for its people. Finland's geography is a gentle tapestry woven from water and woods, nearly 188,000 lakes. Step into a Finnish forest and you enter a world that feels ancient and alive. These vast woodlands are home to an impressive array of wildlife, thriving in the clean air and expansive habitats. In the remote eastern and northern regions, you might be lucky enough to catch a glimpse of a majestic brown bear, Europe's largest predator. The iconic elk, known as a moose in North America, roams freely through the forests, a towering and impressive sight. Reindeer are a common feature of the Lapland landscape, where they are semi-domesticated by the indigenous Sami people. Smaller creatures like foxes, hares, the elusive wolverine. Finland is also a paradise for birdwatchers. The national bird, the graceful whooper swan, can be seen gliding across lakes and coastal bays. The skies and forests are filled with a variety of avian life: great eagle owl, capercaillie. The long coastline and thousands of lakes attract legions of migratory water birds each year. It's a symphony of nature that changes with the seasons: quiet snowy forests, the lively chatter of a summer nesting colony. While mammals and birds flourish, Finland's cold climate means reptiles and amphibians are a rarer sight. You won't find the same diversity of snakes and lizards that you would in southern Europe. However, the common European viper, the grass snake, can be found in the warmer southern parts, often basking on sun-drenched rocks. To understand the Finnish people is to understand the concept of sisu. It's a word with no direct English translation: stoic determination, resilience, gutsy courage in the face of adversity. This quiet inner strength has seen the nation through harsh winters and historical conflicts. Finns are not just tough, they are modest, honest, deeply connected to traditions. No exploration of Finnish culture is complete without a sauna. The sauna is a necessity, a national institution, a place for physical and mental cleansing, to relax with family and friends, and a sanctuary for quiet contemplation. Ritual: sitting in a hot, steamy room, throwing water on heated stones to create loili, a refreshing dip in a nearby lake, or a roll in the snow. An experience both invigorating and profoundly peaceful. Despite quietness, cultural life is vibrant and creative. World-leading coffee consumption, Helsinki cafe culture buzzing, enjoying a cup and a pulla. Finnish design: clean lines, functionality, nature-inspired aesthetics. Marimekko, Iittala. Finland's story is one of a small nation navigating the ambitions of its powerful neighbors. For over 600 years, until 1809, it was part of the Kingdom of Sweden. Then, Sweden ceded Finland to the Russian Empire. As an autonomous Grand Duchy, Finland developed its own institutions and a unique national identity, fueled by the Kalevala epic and the music of Jean Sibelius. Independence was declared on December 6, 1917. After a brief, bitter civil war, Finland preserved its freedom against the Soviet Union in the Winter and Continuation Wars. Cementing the legend of post-war, Finland rebuilt, stayed neutral, and transformed into a prosperous, high-tech nation. In 1995, Finland joined the European Union, anchoring its place among Europe's democracies. Today's Finland is a stable, modern, forward-looking democracy, ranking high in happiness and social progress. built on a robust social safety net with universal healthcare and tuition-free education through university. Equality and opportunity fuel a skilled workforce, trust, and long-term, consensus-driven governance. The economy blends traditional strengths with cutting-edge innovation, a global tech powerhouse, buzzing with startups in gaming, clean tech, and artificial intelligence. Ambitious strides in sustainability, wind, biomass, and smart, low-carbon urban life. Sports and entertainment thrive, with ice hockey a national passion. Endurance shines in cross-country skiing, and motorsport thrills at Rally Finland. From Sibelius to heavy metal to quirky pop, summer festivals pulse with energy. For the traveler, Helsinki offers elegant architecture, bustling market squares, and fascinating museums. A short ferry ride away is the mighty sea fortress of Suomenlinna, a perfect spot for a historical picnic. In Turku, medieval castle and cathedral tell Finland's oldest city's story. Head north to Lapland, Santa's official home, for reindeer rides, husky sleds, and the ethereal northern lights. Looking to the future, Finland invests in education and research to tackle global challenges. Its goals: lead the green and digital transitions, ensure opportunity for all, and contribute to global peace. The Baltic Sea, with its major arms, the Gulf of Bothnia to the west, the Gulf of Finland to the south, has been the country's highway to the world for centuries. The countless islands offer exploration, from tiny, windswept skerries to vibrant inhabited isles. Rivers once powered transport and industry, lifelines from highlands to sea. The south and west are largely flat, with a long, indented coastline and vast archipelagos. Travel north and the land rises into rolling fells, culminating in Lapland's rugged wilderness. Ancient glaciers carved lake basins and left a subtle, understated beauty. Winters are long, cold, and silent. Then summer brings the midnight sun and boundless energy. Deep winter unlocks the sky's most spectacular show, the aurora borealis. This close relationship with the elements defines the Finnish experience. With over 40 national parks, protection of pristine landscapes is a point of pride. Trails, wilderness huts, and designated campfire sites invite responsible outdoor experiences, from Koli hikes to Linnansaari canoe routes to skiing under northern lights. Nature is a way of life. For Finns, being near water, a lake, a river, or the sea, is a fundamental part of a life well lived. Finland is officially bilingual, Finnish and Swedish, a legacy of centuries of Swedish rule. In the far north, Sami languages and culture endure, with reindeer herding at the center. The Evangelical Lutheran Church is national, yet modern. Finland is largely secular and progressive. Traditions endure: midsummer bonfires, dancing, crayfish parties, embraced within modern egalitarian values. This blend of old and new makes Finnish culture uniquely compelling. Finland has learned from a difficult past to build a remarkably bright future. To truly appreciate this land of serene nature and quiet strength, you have to experience it for yourself. So, come and discover the magic of Finland. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share, and click the playlist above to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.